Hello guys, today I will show you the DJI Neo 2. This is one of the best drones that DJI has ever made, and for me I think it's a very good beginner drone since I bought it. Now here's how to turn it on. You hold this button in the battery about two times, and this should, yep, there we go. And when you see the LCD sensors, there we go. And now here's how to turn it on and record. Now you press this button with the orange line so it can go. Right.
Front right. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Now what I did was gesture control. Gesture control is something where you control the Neo 2 with your hand. For example, like this. Here, I can move the drone whenever I want. And here's a cool trick. If you do it like this, it moves closer. Wait. There you go. And if you do this, it moves farther. Now, you can do this whenever you want. Now you can do this whenever you want. If you want to adjust the drone when you're recording or vlogging. Now, to land it, you can do a palm landing like this. And now, the drone will automatically come to your hand and land. What I like about this drone is the gimbal. It follows you, and it's a 2-axis gimbal, which is very good for people who are especially beginners. And this does 4K, 60 frames per second.
Well lit, textured environments.
Isn't this so amazing? I mean, here's how to turn it off. You just hold the button a few times until there's no light left. There we go. Now it's turned off. As you can see, there's no LCD the screens, and the gimbal isn't following me anymore, and that is a sign of when it turns off. In conclusion, the DJI Neo 2 is so good for beginners. Alright guys, I'm sorry because it paused. I was meant to say the DJI Neo 2, it was very good for beginners. I think I'd recommend it for people who have never flew a drone in their lives. Because of the gesture control, it makes flying drones way easier. For me, in my opinion, I think the DJI Neo 2 is the best drone, even better than the Neo. Alright guys, see you guys later. Bye!